Summer edition for females. So first you gotta go to hair and then search ginger bun. And then after that you'll have to scroll down to see this particular bun and select it. After that you gotta go to the face and search ginger bangs. You gotta scroll down to get this particular bangs. And then you guys gotta go to hat and search flower. And then you guys have to scroll down to see this flower I'm wearing as an accessory. I can equip and unequip for you guys to know. So then you gotta go to pants and then search summer pink because it's summer edition. And then you scroll down to select this shirt. Then after that you gotta also go to shirts and search up sleeves. And then you gotta scroll down to this particular sleeves. And now thank you guys for watching. This is summer edition fits for y'all. I hope you guys like and subscribe.